Hello everyone! Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon as we upload one new recipe every day and you will get notified. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a lovely eggless vanilla sponge cake. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. To make powdered sugar, take a cup of regular white sugar and just grind it in a mixer grinder. For the sponge cake, we're first going to mix the dry ingredients. For this you would need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon table salt. Just mix these dry ingredients together. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, half cup melted butter. Mix it on medium speed for about 1 minute till you get a nice creamy batter. Grease the cake tin with some butter and dust it with some flour. Just make sure you've dusted it completely and the tin is completely coated with flour. Transfer the batter to the cake tin. Just even out the batter. Make sure you spread it out evenly in the tin. Steam cook the cake for about 45 minutes on low flame, and those of you who want to bake it, preheat the oven at 180 degrees and you can bake it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. After 45 minutes, check if the cake is cooked through. Turn off the stove and leave it in the steamer for about 10 minutes. Then cool the cake and you can cut it and serve it in slices. So there you have this simple yet delicious vanilla sponge cake. So do try it and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.